Are your plants dying even though you water them every day? You might be committing the #1 indoor plant sin, overwatering. Today, I'm revealing 10 beautiful indoor plants that most people kill with love and how to save them. Stick around until the end, because tip number 10 is one you probably never suspected. And today, we're diving into a topic that could save your indoor jungle. Overwatering is one of the biggest mistakes people make, but with the right knowledge, your plants can thrive for years. Let's get into it. 1. Snake plant. Why people overwater. They see its green leaves and assume it's thirsty. Proper care. Let soil dry completely. Water only every 2 to 3 weeks. Too much water. Root rot. 2. ZZ plant warning. Extremely drought tolerant. Tip: skip watering for weeks if needed. Leave store water. Overwatering is deadly. 3. Aloe vera. Overwatering mistake. Treating it like a tropical plant. Fix: use cactus soil. Water once soil is dry. 4. Pothos. Mistake: watering on a strict schedule. Tip: check the top inch of soil. Water only when dry. 5. Monstera deliciosa. Overwatering effect. Yellowing leaves and soggy soil. Solution: water when top 2 inches of soil are dry. Ensure drainage. 6. Peace lily. Warning: loves water but hates sitting in it. Tip: soil should be lightly moist, not soggy. Drooping leaves. Thirst. 7. Fiddle leaf fig. Overwatering signs: brown leaf tips, moldy soil. Tip: water once the top 2 inches of soil are dry. Avoid overwatering in winter. 8. Rubber plant. Mistake: frequent watering thinking it grows faster. Tip: let top inch of soil dry. Overwatering causes root rot. 9. Calathea. Problem: wants humidity, not soggy soil. Tip: keep soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. 10. Cast iron plant. Why people overwater. Its resilience makes owners think it wants more water. Solution: water lightly. Let soil dry between watering. Almost indestructible if not drowned. Check soil before watering. Stick your finger 1-2 inches in. Use pots with drainage holes. Water in the morning so leaves dry during the day. Less is more. Overwatering kills faster than underwatering. So there you have it. The 10 indoor plants most people overwater. Are you guilty of watering any of these too much? Comment below. I want to know. If this video helped you save your plants, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips every week. Your jungle will thank you.